Why, hello and welcome. John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, October the 24th, 2018. Well, let's take a quick look and see how the markets ended up for today. And what I did was I have the daily chart here, and I have it really squished so you can see the long term how we've been looking. This middle chart here is just the last several days, so you can see that. And then this is a 15-minute chart showing yesterday's close and what happened in the aftermarket, the pre-market, and throughout the day. Let's go through the FANG stocks first so that we can see how those are looking. And you can see here the how far this is pulled back. You can see on the daily, you can see above average volume, and you can see pretty much just down all day long. That was Netflix. This is Facebook. You can see after here the high up around 218. Now we are sitting at 147. You can see just the last several days what has happened here, and you can just see the downstroke all day long. Apple, isn't looking as bad, but you can see here we do have some pain here. Maybe a little bit more support, or at least not as far down that path. But still certainly having a rough time. Amazon has gone from 2048, it's at 1695, so that has been quite a pullback. And once again, we are sitting at levels where if this continues, there could be major trouble. Google, you can see, the long term, what's happened there over the past several days. And today, the downstroke on everything. Now into the ETFs that we follow, the Russell 2000 small caps. And once again, that is definitely looking pretty rough. You can see here above average volume and just down all day long. The spiders, pretty much the same story. You can see here coming down here and down all day long. Had a little bit of an attempt at a recovery part way through. And the Qs, and same thing there. We do have a little bit of support here, so hopefully we can find somewhere to hold on to and bounce from, but looking pretty bleak there. And you can see the size of that candle for today, the volume, and the downstroke all day long. And the diamonds, we had Boeing had a good earnings report and propped the market up to start the day out, but you can see that did not hold very long, as right from the open on. Now we did get a little bit of an attempt at a recovery, and then it failed through the rest of the day. So very difficult market for today. So let's take a look at Holly and see how she did in this type of an environment. And we have Holly Grail had 10 trades, 42 cents profit, 51 cents was the 51-cent loss on the risk on category. And her best trade was YECO, which was the power hour short, and you can see it here and throughout the day here. Risk on profit, it was the best in both categories. The Holly 2.0 had 16 trades, 59-cent profit, $3.27 risk on profit. And the best trade there was CNK, which was a short for 54 cents. And then the risk on profit was SNP, $2.17, another short. So she did well in the short category. And you can see here all the shorts lined up there. And then we have Holly Neo had 10 trades for loss of 125. Risk on profit was 52 cents. And let me move these charts around just a little bit so that we can see them here as we are looking at the trade. And we had LLEX was the best profit on the trade. She only made 15 cents there. And you can see, that right here to right here. And then, after she made the profit, pulled out, she got out because of a timed exit. And I'd say she timed that pretty good. And we had another short on PS. She lost 56 cents on the actual trade. You can see she got in it here, got stopped out, and then once it started going, $1.46 profit on it had you held it to the end of the day. So that is your Holly update for today. A day with some very, very rough action on Wall Street. And now just to remind you of our test drive coming up, we call it the Halloween test drive. It is going to start next Monday for just $8.88. It's going to include swing exits. It's going to include real-time data, charting. You're going to get Holly, the artificial intelligence engine. You're going to get the odds maker and back testing. You're going to get price alerts. You're also going to get free access to support webinars and the trading room. So, the software is a little bit hard to use. That's why our crew at Trade Ideas does a real good job showing you how to use it and how you can benefit from it. And you will find out that it is going to be one of the best friends you have, whether you're trading to invest or swing trade or day trading, whatever it is, it can help you with ideas and picking out better trades. And there's no better time than now to remind you about our free ebook, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And clearly we are in one of those right now. So here is the link for it. I'll put the links for all this in the underneath the video in the YouTube comments. So please take advantage. We would love to be able to help you in any way we can to trade better and make money, whether we're in a bull market or a bear market, or even as we've been in both of them in the same day. So we certainly invite you and hope that you take advantage of that. And you can follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can follow me on Facebook, like me on Twitter or StockTwits. And if you got anything out of this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. And hey, we want to thank you for watching, and God bless.